What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Redcat Valkyrie 4S. I wanted to get it out here and rip it up real quick, but I added some things to it. Nothing speed wise, just body wise. So what I did was I added white lights in the front and red in the back. I added some stickers, some decal stickers. I added the Phillyswords right there. I also added that on this part right here. Impressive. Undercover Phillyswords RC. What I'm gonna do, I just want to rip this thing up and let y'all check it out again. What I'm gonna do a speed run today. Got my GNS ready. Let's get into it. Oh yeah. Go down further. Yo, this thing is quick as hell. I couldn't even full throttle this thing, man. I'm gonna do another pass, but I want to do one good pass to fully get the gist of the speed. Like, don't want to keep doing it because I'm gonna kill this battery, but got extra. Yo, that thing was fast. Wow, to get up. Let's see what I got out of that. All right, here we go. Let's get out my shadow. Stop, read, and we have 46 miles an hour. Definitely got more in it than that. 46 is not bad, but it has a lot more in it than that. What I'm gonna do is as I'm getting down on the power, it'll come right up. This thing is a pure beast. Really easy to control, man, but it got a lot of push to it. I'm gonna take my nav off and I'll be right back. car got good handling though. Suspension, it needs some work now. Okay, the suspension is not really, it's good. Needs some work, adjustments maybe. Notice I'm not going in the grass because the grass is way too high and I don't feel like playing the grassy high games. The skid protectors on the roof help out a lot. See, as you can see, oh, it's scraping up my roof, but it helped me. Little hard time, not too much. Still maintenance to do. Yo, Redcat is not playing games, y'all. Whoa. They are not playing games. The electronics in this car is good. It's and it's all the way over there. This thing got a lot of push, man, to be 4S. Some people gonna put it on 6, which I think is unnecessary. Just gonna have complications. Unplug the battery. Unplug the battery strap. Peace. Another thing you're gonna have, see how this is? These battery straps, they're not long enough. They barely touching. So that little crash, it was kind of a bad crash. But any kind of crash, you're gonna lose your battery. You gotta get a small 4S battery or get longer battery straps. I prefer the longer battery straps because then it'll give you more battery options. Yo, I could do this all day. I can't believe this battery lasted. I'm running a Power Hobby 800 milliamp battery, 100C. And this is my second run with that battery without a recharge, which is not a good thing, but obviously the LVC is set pretty high. I mean, pretty low on this car. I was really by now. The temps aren't bad on it either. You're running that Hobbywing 120 amp ESC. It seemed pretty durable. Haven't had too many bad spills, but time will tell. I meant to bring my ramp. There we go. There go LDC. Yeah, but this car is awesome, I swear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the link in the description below to where you can get it from Redcat, and I'm gonna leave the description to RC Discount Superstore so you can grab it from him and he'll get it to you quicker. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. More coming soon, and I'm out.